Hello, this is Professor Jim Caffey, and this is going to be Chapter 14 on cosmic samples and the origin of the solar system. We start with planetesimals, the beginnings of a planetary system, a big flat cloud of gas and dust. We can see a bright fireball when a meteor goes through the Earth's atmosphere. The radiant of a meteor shower is the apparent path that these meteors appear to come from in the sky. And so when we say a meteor shower is happening in the constellation of Orion or Perseus, that meteor shower is happening in that box area of a constellation. Now this is very interesting. This depicts a meteor shower of the Leonids, which happens in November in 1833. And what we see every 33 or 34 years is a meteor storm. Now, I saw this Leonid meteor storm in 1998 when I was living in San Diego, going to grad school at San Diego State University. I was on top of Mount Laguna, 7,000 feet up, and we counted with a detector about 145,000 meteors, and 140 of them exploded all over the sky in a streak like you see here in the picture. Really neat to see that and hear that. In August, we have the Perseid meteor shower, also another big one. Well, here's a great meteorite find for you. We find a lot of meteorites in Antarctica because of the pristine conditions. So this meteorite was found inside of a seat cushion in a car, and this was one of the first documented cases of someone being hit by a space rock. We see different types of meteorites. They come in stony, they come in here's another meteorite with small mineral findings. How do you form a solar system? You have a nebula, a cloud of gas and dust, contract. As it shrinks, its motion causes it to flatten out. In the middle, a protostar forms, and once it lights up and has nuclear fusion inside, then we have a sun or a star clearing out its orbit of debris. Throughout the solar system, we find a variety of chemical compositions, from metal to ice. Saturn, seen in the infrared, so beautiful. We can see warm patches, the South Pole, and the blue icy rings. They are cold and infrared. In the Orion Nebula, we see baby stars being formed. Here we see a baby star in a cloud of gas and dust. We call these protoplanetary disks, or protostars, baby stars. The largest volcano in the solar system belongs on Mars, called Olympus Mons, and here you can see how it compares to Mount Everest, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, Olympus Mons. We have seen this before. This volcano would cover the entire state of Arizona, side to side, border to border. Here we see an irregular asteroid, Ida. We've seen this before in chapter 13. And that does it for chapter 14. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time for chapter 15. Thanks. Well, did you enjoy that episode of 10-Minute Astronomy? If so, check out all the other videos in that playlist for 10-Minute Astronomy and other videos on my channel, and then hit the subscribe button right there. Thanks.